Hi, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair, and this is a functionality proof video for LG 55LV5500-UA mainboard returned by customer, FLDCA. Customer will recognize the board because of the signature. The board was repaired and returned as malfunctioning along with the power board. Here's the sign of the label that we had on it. We did not test the power board, we instantly tested the main board, and indeed it wasn't starting up. So we've redone it again. This time replaced the processor, and it's being tested for a couple of days to make sure that it still works fine after the TV works for a couple of hours, warms up, then is shut off, cools off, etc., etc. So it has went much more rigorous testing than the first time, and this is normal. We can't run every single board that comes through here for multiple hours of testing. We do apologize for the inconvenience. Isolated cases like that are just taken care by the warranty policy, because again, it is impractical to be testing every single board that comes here for hours and hours and make sure that it works after warming up and then after cooling off. So every now and then one slips up and that, let's say, tests right after it gets off the reworking machine and it's still warm and maybe makes a good contact. Whatever the reason, it passed through the testing then, but then on the customer side it didn't. We don't know what the exact reason was. Of course, it may have been that, it may have been something else. So apologies again. This time it worked for a number of hours, it worked for a couple of days, and we're sending it back. Thank you very much.